Assalamualaikum and Namaste. I am Naveen Kumar and today I will tell you how to get admission in PhD in Bologna University, Italy. Today I will make tutorial how to search PhD program and what are the requirements. So first of all, you need to write PhD in Bologna, Italy. You can write as well on the Google, and then you will see the website of University Bologna. It's unibo.it. First of all, you need to click on the PhD programs, University of Bologna. You will see this page where you will see different links, how to apply in PhD, FAQ, call for applications and everything. We will go on the University of Bologna PhD programs to see which programs they are offering. Here we are the page. There are 51 PhD programs they are offering for now. You can also filter and search based on your need. So we will see they have aerospace, agriculture, architecture and many others. So below every program, every details are many details are given. For example, for how many years the program they are offering. For example, in aerospace science and technology, subject area is engineering studies and languages are English and Italian. The coordinator professor is Alessandro Talamelli and the program is for 3 years. The call is open. The most important thing, you have to see the status of call for application. If it's still open, you are eligible to apply. If it's closed, for example, we will see below. If the call is closed, you cannot apply it anymore. So you can only apply for example, data science and computation. The program is for 4 years, but unfortunately the call for application is closed, so you don't need to go in this area. We can go in any other area where the application is open. So from here you will see which applications or PhD programs they are offering, and if it's open and it's matching with your area you want to apply, you can click on more information. For example, we will do one in for example we will do in history, but it's closed. Okay, we will go into the industrial chemistry. The call is open, and more information we will see what they are offering. For example, details. The program starts in 2022 and 3. The subject area is mathematical physics, chemical and astronomical science. The call is 38. The coordinator is Fabrizio Cavani. English language and 3 years program. So the deadline is 14th December 2020. And to read the call in detail, you need to click on the call for application. Here you will see what are the requirements to apply and everything. For example, I have another file open already. You will go to the application, and this call you can also get in English. So for example, in this call you will have detailed information. Here you will see what are the requirements, how many seats are available, in which areas they are offering, what documents you need, how much is the fees, how much is the grant. So this table and this call is very very important to read, but it's little bit in detail. You need time to understand it, so you must read before you apply. So available positions are given here. What are the positions? For example, they are given even in English. If they are fully funded, if they are partially funded, some seats are reserved. For example, those people who are doing already job, or for people who are already doing research. These are the requirements. Or two admission requirements are laurea magistrale. You must have second cycle or master's degree, or you have any other degree in other country but equivalent to the Italian masters. How to apply? They have given the student online website. You only can apply through this website. You have to make an account, and you also have to pay €5 application non-refundable fee. So that fee you must have to pay to apply. And what are the other details? For example, you have to access the student online and make an account, and then you have to apply. Also, they are mentioning the required documents. These documents are the most important in every university you apply in Italy. You must have these documents ready. So circulum vitae CV is very important. You must have this in Euro format, or universities also show the simple how they wanted both sides. Document attest in the complete and awarding of both first and second cycle. Every document with the list is given, the degree name and how they want it. And further supporting documents can be your research papers, your proposals, or anything which is making your case more strong. So in this call you can read everything. Also, the selection procedure is also given. It's really transparent how you will be assessed, or how many marks you will get on each category. For example, on your CV there will be marks, so no personal or written communication will be sent to applicant. They are mentioning on CV your background, your experience, everything they will see and assess you. Then they will tell you the result on their portal. So everything is given in this call. I highly recommend you to read this properly again and again before you apply. Once you know all the requirements, then you are ready to go and apply, and you will have higher chances to be selected in such universities. And after even getting the offer letter, you are also given here the requirements, how to enroll yourself, what is the procedure, and what things you need. So everything is given in English. Also, they have information for non-Italian citizens only. So I highly recommend you to read this call. After even reading this call, you have any question, you can ask me anytime. But if the question is already answered in this call, then I will only suggest you to read it again and again. So that's the only process. That's also how I was offered a scholarship in Italian university. This is the only method I am telling truly. If you go to the agents, if you ask from any other student, they will also suggest you the same thing. Everything is written in the call. You must read and understand and apply. If you need any help, just inbox me on my Facebook page, that's Naveen Kumar, or you can also comment on my YouTube channel, that's Naveen Talreja. I will mention in the video. Thank you so much for watching, and also I request you to kindly share this video on your page or friends or in WhatsApp group where students want to apply, especially from Pakistan. Thank you so much for watching.